Okay. So in this chapter, we learned what a rational number is, right? So we learned that a rational number can be written in the form of what form? Form of P by Q, where Q not equal to 0, right? So any so P by Q, what is this? Is a fraction, right? So any fraction like 3 by 5, 2 by 2, any fraction, but only condition is the denominator should not be 0. So that means if I say 7 by 0, here what is the denominator? Denominator is 0, right? So is this a rational number? No, this is not a rational number. But here what is it? 3 by 5 and 2 by 2 here. The denominator is not 0, right? And it's in the form of a fraction. That is a number on top of other numbers. That is a fraction. So this is a rational number, this is a rational number. Got it? Now let's come to comparing two rational numbers. Okay. So here I have taken two rational numbers, 1 by 2 and 2 by 3, right? Are they rational numbers? Yes, right? They are in P by Q form. Here also P by Q form. So now I am asking you a simple question, which is bigger? Which fraction here is bigger? So it's hard to decide, right? So if it's 1 by 2, 1 by 2, no, we know how to see it visually. How it will be half, right? 1 by 2 will be 2 parts, out of that 1 part. 2 by 3 we learned it like this, bend simple like that, na? So out of 3, now how many parts is this divided circle? 3 parts. Out of that 2 parts. So this is 2 by 3, here 1 by 2. Now which of this is a bigger fraction? It's hard to compare here, right? So but let's see how, let's pause that there, okay? And let's just see how we can compare when the denominators are same. So usually when the denominators are same, let's see here two rational numbers, 3 by 8 and 5 by 8. Out of this you can see the denominators of both are what? Same, right? Here it is also 8, here also 8. So when the denominators are same, we can easily compare by looking at the numerator. Now which numerator is bigger here? 5 or 3? 5. So that means this 5 by 8. Okay, let's see this visually. Okay, if it's look here, I'm drawing two same rectangles, and first both of them I'm dividing into 8 pieces. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so both of this has total 8 boxes. Out of 8 boxes here, what is the fraction here? First one ka 3 by 8. So I'm writing 3 by 8 here, and I'm shading. How many should I shade here? 3, right? 3 out of 8. And this fraction is 5 by 8. So how many boxes should I shade here? 5 boxes, right? 1 2 3 4 5. Now look at the both of these figures. Which one do you think has more shaded area, or which one has the more shaded area? This one, first one, or second one? Second one, right? So easily you can say which is bigger out of this. This will be bigger, na? This will be big, right? So here, let's come back here. What sign will it be then? So you know the signs, right? What are the signs? Different signs which we learned. This is equal to, and this is one sign, and this is other sign. Okay, so in this sign, the side where it is open, okay, where it is open side, okay, side like this, open side will be bigger, okay, and closed side will be smaller. So which sign will I put here? I'll put this sign, right? Because this side is bigger. So I'll open the mouth of the sign towards the bigger one. Okay. Okay. Now let's look at this. 2 by 5 and 4 by 5. How will it be? Which one will be bigger? Easy, right? If you do it like this same way, how many parts? I'm drawing two same like rectangles. How many parts will I divide into? What is the denominator? So denominator is 5. So I will divide this box into 1 2 3 4 5. Here also 1 2 3 4 5. 5 equal parts. Out of that, on the first one, how many should we I shade? 2. And second one, how many should I shade? 4. Right? And which is bigger? 4 by 5, right? So easily you can look at a fraction. If the denominators are same, you can easily look at the fraction and say which is bigger. Okay, but if the denominators are not same, what will happen? Then is what we have to learn. Okay, so you can pause for a minute now. Okay, take a break and see how it is. Okay, and after that you can watch this again. Okay, now let's look here. Okay, if the denominators are different, we need to find something called as LCM. Okay, LCM full form. So LCM is a short name. Okay, its full name is least common multiple, or L. Here you can see LCM. Okay, instead of least common multiple, I'm using LCM. Okay, what is this LCM? Let's see. Okay, let's come back to the question we started, were 1 by 2 or 2 by 3, which is bigger. So now you can see here the denominators are different, so that means we can't compare directly. So we are now going to find LCM and make the denominators same. So for us to compare here, what happened? When the denominators are same, you can compare easily. So we have to make the denominators equal. So now for that we are finding LCM of 2 and 3. Okay, so for that it's easy. You just have to write the multiples of 2 first. Okay, or for what are the multiples of 2? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It will go like that. What about 3? 3 multiple will be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. It will go like this, right? Now which number is coming similar in both of the numbers, both of the multiples? You can see कौन सा नंबर आता है पहले जो नंबर आता है which is same, which should be in both. Okay, is 4 in the table of 3? No, but here 6 is in the table of 2 and both 3 na, and also it's coming first, so 6 will be the LCM here. So you got LCM here equal to 6. Okay, that means we can now convert this fraction 1 by 2 into denominator with 6. Now look here, how can 2 become 6? What should I multiply 2 with so that it becomes 6? It's easy, na? 2 3s are 6. And you also learned that whenever you are multiplying something in the denominator, you should also multiply it in the numerator. So 1 3s will be 3. Okay, and here you can see 2 by 3. Okay, 2 by 3, I have to make something in the denominator as 6. How will 3 become 6? 3 2s are 6. So when I am doing something in denominator, I am doing also in numerator. So numerator becomes 4 by 6. Okay, now you can see this. You can see new 2 fractions have came up, right? You can see 2 new fractions. Which are the new 2 fractions? 3 by 6 and 4 by 6. Here you can see now what happened. The denominators are the same. Here also 6, here also 6. Now let's compare. Which is bigger, 3 or 4? 4 is bigger, na? So which will be the bigger ratio? Bigger rational number will be 4 by 6. So the sign here becomes this. Since 3 by 6 and 4 by 6 we compared and we know 4 by 6 is the bigger. What was originally 3 by 6? This 3 by 6, what was it originally? Originally it was what? 1 by 2, right? And 4 by 6 was originally 2 by 3. We changed it into like this, na? So let's write what is the original value of 3 by 6. 3 by 6 is what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2. And what is 4 by 6? 4 by 6 is 2 by 3. Now we know that since 4 by 6 is bigger, 2 by 3 will be bigger than 1 by 2. Hence we compare. Okay, now let's do this with more questions and practice. Okay, only with practice this comes. Okay, I hope you understand.